Thank you very much. The Permanent Secretary has basically highlighted the impetus, the rationale, the reason behind the Fijian host program. And as she quite rightly pointed out, that you are the frontliners in respect of when people come to Fiji, they see you first and they see you last. I'd like to thank all of you for your contribution to this initiative. I'd like to acknowledge the contribution by the Permanent Secretary to the Fijian host program, Starwood, but of course most importantly all of you. You have now started off this year with this particular float procession, and obviously you started on a very high benchmark, and I don't mean necessarily by the quality of the floats, but what I mean by your enthusiasm. And I think that is very, very important. What it has done is created or inculcated a culture of knowing the very important position, very important role that you play. So thank you very much to everybody who have contributed to this. We look forward to your continued support. We all need to realize, and I think sometimes we tend to get very focused on our individual areas. So for example, immigration may just be doing their own immigration thing and not worry about FERCA, not worry about the police, or not worry about ATS. The reality is that nothing in this world functions or works without teamwork. Like, as I've been saying the past 1 week, it's like playing a rugby game. You can't just have your fullback doing all the job. Everybody needs to contribute towards it. And I think this is the sense that Fijian Host has inculcated, that we all work as a team. Indeed, we all work a team as the airport. We all work as a team in our country, in our ministries, in our government. Because after all, at the end of the day, the objective is that we all benefit from it. So, Vinaka Vakalevu, and thank you very much for your contribution, for standing out in the sun and parading yourselves. And I in particular would like to thank all the, do I call them the queens or the kings on the floats? Thank you for all your Queen? Okay, very good. I don't know what the other guy would want to say from AFL? Queen? Queen, very good. Okay. Dr. Vakalevu, have a very good morning. Thank you.